Ito yung pinakamurang high ceiling na property dito sa Greenwoods. Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NC Rizal Properties. Alright. Again, we're here in Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay? Lagi kong sinasabi, Greenwoods is very accessible po. Going to BGC, Makati, and Ortigas. Or in short, accessible siya going dun sa mga top business district. Okay? So, nandito tayo sa may parking space. This is good for 2. And, eto, access po ito. Papunta dun sa ating service area, pero hindi ako dyan dadaan. Okay? Pakita ko lang muna dito. Lot area natin is 120 square meter. And then, yung floor area is 190 square meter. Pero pag nakita nyo mamaya sa loob, parang hindi naman 190. Feeling ko parang mas malaki eh. Check natin. So welcome to your new home. A high ceiling property dito po sa Greenwoods Executive Village. Priced at 16 million pesos. Again, price natin is 16 million pesos. Alright, so ito yung ating high ceiling na living area. So basically, dito yung ating magiging feature wall. So ikutin ko lang para makita nyo yung space. Enough space lang. Right. So yung ating main door, naka-digital lock na rin po yan. Then dito sa ground floor, we have this common na toilet and bath. Full toilet and bath po ito. Right. So ito, naka-shower enclosure na rin po. And then also, dito sa ating ground floor, meron tayong bedroom, which is recommended po for senior or guest room. Pwede naman po. Since katapat lang po niyan yung ating common na toilet and bath. Right. Nandito is yung ating magiging dining area. Right. Then access po niyan, dito po sa may sliding door na to is going to service area pag kumanang ka. And then dito sa kaliwa is yung ating maid's quarter. Pero mamaya po ako pupunta dyan. Then ito yung ating living, dining, kitchen area. Kitchen area. Okay. So obviously, dyan yung lagay ng ating fridge. And then may nakikita akong 3-burner na cooktop. So, plus a range hood. So, pa-free na po yan ng ating seller. Napakabait na seller. Okay, so dito ako lalabas. Sa mismong main door ng ating kitchen and service area. Okay. So, ito yung service area. And then, ito yung access kanina from the parking space. Right? Balik ako dito. So, on this side, meron tayong isang bedroom. I guess this is intended for doon sa ating kasambahay. Kung kayo tatanungin nyo, maganda naman po yung space nito. Okay? Hindi po kagaya sa iba. Medyo mas maliit talaga yung sa iba. Then meron siyang sariling toilet and bath na rin po. Right? So, ito yung space, pakita ko sa inyo. Para sa mga mahal nating kasambahay. Okay? So, service area, and then itong sliding door is yung access mula dito sa ating kitchen and dining area. So, dito na lang po ako dadaan, ano. Again, this is inside Greenwoods Executive Village. Okay? Taytay Gate po tayo. Taytay Gate. Alright, so mas malapit po kayo sa Highway 2000. And ang katikit ng Highway 2000 is yung ating, or yung C6 Road po. So alam nyo na yan. Papuntang Makati, papuntang BGC, papuntang NAIA. Napakabilis na lang. Ngayon, kung papunta kayo ng Ortigas, Pasig Gate po kayo dadaan. Doon, sobrang lapit na lang po ng Ortigas Business Center. Again, price natin is 16 million pesos po. 16 million pesos. Cash or bank financing, accepted po. Mag-a-assist po ako, lalo na sa bank financing. And of course, sa pre-approval na tinatawag para po hindi masayang yung inyong hard-earned money. Of course, yung effort natin. Pare-pares hindi masasayang. Okay? So, first bedroom, dito sa second floor, we have a built-in cabinet and of course, yung provision for a window type aircon. And then, ito yung ating common toilet and bath. So, ang gagamit po nito, yung mag-occupy netong 2 bedrooms dito sa second floor kasi yung master's bedroom may sarili naman. Okay? So, second bedroom, almost the same nung ating first bedroom. Window type aircon na provision. May butas na yan. Then may built-in cabinet din po. Again, kung ang hanap mo, high ceiling. Ito po yung pinakamurang high ceiling dito sa loob ng Greenwoods. Price at 16 million pesos. Okay? So, yung kanyang modern chandelier, parang rectangular cubes, no? Yung design. And then, of course, di mawawala yung ating master's bedroom. So, ito yung space. Meron siyang walk-in closet, toilet and bath, and a balcony. Maaliwalas po dun sa balcony, mamaya pupuntahan ko. Here's your walk-in closet. And your toilet and bath. Okay, so may shower divider na rin yan. And ito yung space ng ating master's bedroom. Again, the lot area is 120 square meter and the floor area is 190 square meter. Ano po sa tingin ninyo? Pasok po ba sa 190? Tingin ko kasi parang mas malaki pa eh. So, ito yung balcony. Okay. Maliwalas po. Ayan. May kalat lang sa harapan yung mga pinagamitan ng naging construction dito. Right. Pero eventually, syempre, magkakaroon po ng mga bahay dyan. Kaya maganda kasi dito, malapit lang po tayo sa Taytay Gate. Right? Okay. If interested po kayo dito sa property na to, send me a message. I'd be happy to assist you personally, no? And para ma-explain ko na rin po lahat. And kung may iba pa kayong hanap, pwede naman tayong pwede ko kayo pakita ng ibang properties dito sa Greenwoods. Pero kung high ceiling, ang hanap ninyo and ang budget range is around 16 million, ito po talaga yung pinaka-recommended. Alright? So that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.